How do you qualify for an offer and compromise? Hi, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, also known as Coach Coop with Cooper's Accounting Service, because your financial freedom matters. If you'd like to learn more great tax tips, download our popular financial guide at our website, yourfinancialfreedommatters.com, or click on the link below. As I was having a lunch meeting, someone asked me exactly what is an offer and compromise and how do you qualify for it. First of all, an offer and compromise is an agreement between a taxpayer and a tax authority such as the IRS or a state tax agency to settle debt less than the amount that you owe. Just to let you know, at the state level, some states, for example, California, do not offer an offer and compromise. Going into an offer and compromise, the two main qualifications are financial hardship, if you have a medical emergency, or you change jobs. Those are the two financial hardships that will qualify you for an offer and compromise. You need to complete Form 656. Some of you may have to do Form 433F for individuals, and for business owners, it is Form 433B. You must be transparent with the IRS. What do I mean by that? That means that you need to disclose everything on the application because the IRS will be doing a background check using your Social Security number. So if you have any other assets such as a retirement account or a broker's account, please disclose that. Trust your tax advisor or the person that's preparing your offer and compromise. If you don't feel comfortable, then find someone that you're comfortable with. You also need to gather 3 months of your last bank statement or other financial information. You also need to make a good faith deposit between 10 to 20%. You would have an option of paying the fee amount once the IRS agrees upon it. You can pay the full amount, or you can make 23 payments over a period of time. Also, one of the last things I want to add, once the IRS application is approved, you may not get a refund for the next couple of years. That may be part of your agreement. For more easy financial tips, sign up for our financial tip newsletter by going to yourfinancialfreedommatters.com or click on the link below this video. You can also download our financial guide as well. If you'd like a free 20-minute smart money consultation, call us at 562-436-2600. Well, again, I'm Stephen D. Cooper, also known as Coach Coop, with Cooper's Accounting Service. Don't miss our next video where we'll cover what are the do's and don'ts when going through an IRS audit. See you next video.